Welcome to Leather Journal Wholesaler Factory. So, today we will know more about how handmade paper is manufactured. So, let's go. This is how cotton pulp looks like. So, it will be further used for making handmade paper sheets. So, these two ladies are working on it and they are just settling the cotton pulp. So, now this cotton pulp is dissolved in this water and it will be stirred for 2 to 3 hours with the help of this machine. So now this machine is on and you can see how it works, and this cotton pulp will be changed into the cotton fiber. Now after the stirring process, this cotton is changed into the fiber. As you can see, it is easily separable and I can feel it that it is really soft and it is really fine fiber. With the help of this huge pipe, the fiber is transferred into this well. This well will continuously stir it to make it lump free. Whenever workers feel that it's a bit lumpy, they add more water to it. Dissolved fiber is stored in this big container. The main process of making paper will be started from here. As you can see, this process requires hard work from the worker. This cotton fiber is acid free, tree free and chemical free. Overall, it's eco-friendly. For making 100 GSM of paper, 1 bowl of fiber is required, and for making 125 to 200 GSM of paper, 1.5 bowl or 2 bowl is required. According to the GSM of paper, the fiber is dissolved into this water upon a screen and then it is drained with the help of this following screen. Now they will cover it with a cotton cloth and put it aside. This is the main process of making cotton paper, and as we can see, a thin layer has been formed and this is the first look of our paper. It is a continuous process and it is repeated again and again. As you can see, they are covering again it with a cotton cloth and keeping the thin layer aside in a bundle. This bundle is so heavy that 4 workers are needed to shift it, and now they are keeping it under a pressure machine under the weight of 1000 ton to drain out the remaining water. After keeping the bundle in a systematic way, a worker put on the machine and now it is ready for further process of draining water. This propeller is slowly coming down and compressing the bundle of sheets. As we can notice that the bundle holds a lot of water in it, and the excessive water running out is not wasted and they have a proper drainage system for water. The machine is doing its work effectively. This process is almost about 5 to 7 minutes. The bundle is still tolerating the weight. Now, workers are removing excessive water with their hands from the edges, and this is also a process. Now the propeller is being uplifted and the bundle is being released. The machine did its work very effectively and this process is now complete. Because the excessive water is drained out from the bundle, it is much lighter than the earlier one. So only 3 workers are required to uplift it. So yes, the new process has begun. This process has to be done very carefully, softly and smoothly. They are separating the sheets one by one and hanging them on a bamboo for the further process. If by mistakenly a sheet is being torn, it can be reused further, and this cotton cloth is also reused. Now the sheets are being ready for the next process. This process is not that tough, it is much easier. In this process, the sheets are being kept under sunlight. The main purpose of this process is to make sheets completely dry under sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. After keeping them in the sunlight for following hours, these sheets are completely dried. These sheets in this following rows are completely dried and now they will be taken inside for the next process. The worker is carefully assembling these sheets into bundle. In this process, much difficulty is faced in monsoon season. Now the worker is taking this bundle inside. Now we are inside the factory and the bundle will be kept secured together with these numerous bundles. The sheets are kept inside the factory in a secure hall to resist water. Many types of papers are being manufactured here, like different in color, different in thickness and different in rough edges also. So now they are kept in a bundle and a huge bundle, and now they will transfer it here on this machine. The sheets are being brought here and moreover 2 ladies are working on it because this process is not that much difficult but it requires hard work. After coming here, a thick layer is being formed of 40 sheets by keeping metal sheets over each paper, and it will go through this pressing machine so that each and every paper would become even. This process requires teamwork while one worker passes the metal sheet and another one forms its layer. This is an electronic machine and it works when the roller rolls upon these layers and it is too heavy that it put force on these layers and the papers are being compressed so that every wrinkle is being freed from these following layers. We can notice that the paper are free from wrinkles. This is the second last process. In this process, the sheets are being cut equally with measurements. This also removes the uneven edges from the sheets and it really looks very beautiful. This is also an electronic machine. The worker needs to be very careful in this process because the blade situated upon is very sharp. After the cutting process, the sheets are brought here to keep them aside. According to the quantity of paper required, the paper is being folded and a wooden blob is being rubbed upon them. So now they have took a shape of the book set, and yes, now they are ready to make beautiful leather journals.